Hi! It's been a while since I did a car video, and I have a new car. I actually did a whole series of videos on the process of finding and purchasing this car, and then accidentally deleted them. So this car's name is Silver. This is Silver. She spent most winters of her life in Florida. So she's a very well-preserved car in these areas. Silver is a 2009 Subaru Outback. She's a 4-cylinder. Silver had about 95,000 miles on her when I got her. And she got a new head gasket and timing belt as part of the purchase deal. And she's under warranty for the next few years. I still have Gem. So the first thing I did after getting Silver was to have both cars rust-proofed. I got the POR-15, POR-15 stuff, and I did both cars. I did Gem and Silver, and I videoed both of them, but a lot of my videos disappeared on me. And so now you're gonna see me do the underside of Silver. Hello. Another day, another car. Here today with Silver, and I'm doing her undercoating. She's up on the lift right now. I did a little bit of wire brushing. There is not much rust on Silver, so I pretty much brushed on the exhaust pipe, cleaning the flanges a little bit more, and up on those I think they're called lateral link things. For some reason they look older on this car than the rest of the car. So, and they're looking oranger right now because I freshly brushed them. And over here, so we have some of the cleaner drying right now. This is the cleaner degreaser, and after this I have to put on the metal prep. But before that, I'm gonna go in here in a minute as soon as it's dry and try to tape up and plastic up a lot of the plastic and rubber parts that don't really need to be part of a metal specific application. So she's looking good. She's very clean. And she's gonna look even cleaner yet. She has a lot of exhaust pipe. I mean, there's this dual exhaust here in the back, and you'll see how that runs all the way up to the front. And in the front, she's got a lot of, well, looks to me like exhaust related pieces. So I'll go around the front here, just look at her again before she's painted. This is what I mean by exhaust related. Like, it looks like it's related to the exhaust. It comes around here, goes around there. So probably going to hit a lot of that with the high temperature muffler spray. And probably use that for under the engine and transmission too. So that's that so far. Okay, back again. So under the front end of the car. I don't know if you can see up there. You can see pretty far up on the transmission and I think the engine here. And I've been spraying this with degreaser, and some stuff has come down, which I'm going to kind of see if I can wipe up a little of this. Yeah. It's like this kind of oil sludge. I think this car may have had a bad head gasket at one point. I know they just replaced the head gasket on it. But it's kind of, I'm no expert now, but this looks a little bit like head gasket sludge. But then again, I am No expert on that. Well, it could be normal sludge. I don't know if sludge is normal, but it's sludge. Yep, it's almost dry. I'm going to start taping up these brake lines to protect them from the chemicals. Alright, time to tape up. Hello again. We did it. Silver has been painted. This is silver after being painted. Oh, the dual exhaust. There was a lot of exhaust painting on her. She was mostly exhaust. So she's drying right now. Probably, yeah, she's pretty dry. It's one of the last places I squirted, and it's pretty dry. So I'm going to be taking off the plastic soon, and then taking her down off of the lift. And that concludes my very busy weekend painting 2 cars. Gosh, I painted 2 cars this weekend. I look like I painted 2 cars. I've got, oh yes. Well, ha, that. I'll be wearing this for a long time. And she'll be wearing that for a long time. And check out silver shininess. Yes, lots of plastic to take off here. One more rust on the exhaust pipe. Nice.